Hi everyone. So you know that Windows 11 have that all the icon in the taskbar in the center, but you can also move this into the left side of Windows 11. And in this video I'm going to show this. So first of all, you can see that all the icon in the center of my Windows 11. To move it on the left, we just need to click on any desktop and just right click here, and you can see this personalize. You can go from here, or you can just click on this taskbar and go to taskbar setting. So once you click on taskbar setting, this window will appear. We can make it large. So here you can see different types of settings where the taskbar will be and other option. From here we can see this option taskbar alignment. This is actually align the icon on the taskbar. You can see my current setting is in center, and if I just put it in the left, now you can see all my taskbar icon have been moved to the left. So this is how you can move your taskbar icon to the left in Windows 11, and if you anytime want to change, you can just move it to center or again just move it to left. So by this way you can change this alignment of your icons in Windows 11 taskbar. I hope you understand the video, and if you learned something new, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you guys on the next video.